In Urdu, we say तमाम देखती आंखों और सुनते कानों को राशिद इसाक का सलाम पहुँचे. If I translate into English, I would say all seeing eyes and all hearing ears are welcome to my this new video. I have achieved 5,000 subscribers today and I'm very happy for that, and thank you very much for subscribing my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, watch my videos and like my video. It means a lot to me. I have tried many times to make an introductory video for you people. I wanted to introduce myself and my work, but I was always lazy to do that, and I have tried many times, and I want to show you one effort that I have made to introduce myself to you all people. And for that effort I went to this top of this water tank, and I want to show you that video. Hello guys, welcome to my video. I am Dr. Rashidishaq, and I am a dairy veterinarian. For a very long time I was thinking to make an introductory video about myself. I am working in dairy industry in Pakistan since 2013, and currently I am working on a largest dairy farm in Pakistan. We are housing 10,000 dairy cattle. Here I will show you the aerial view of our dairy farm, and so you guys look the aerial view and enjoy. And now take a round trip. Guys, today is also my work anniversary here, and I have completed 8 years working at this dairy farm. I will show you guys my bicycle. This is my bicycle. It's a quite big dairy farm having 10,000 animals, out of which 5,000 are milking animals, and to move or to round on a day on this dairy farm I use my bicycle. If you have any questions, write me in comment section. I will try to make a question answer video for you, and I wish you all the best. Have a very good day. Bye bye.